Hello again, and welcome back to the Integrative Healthcare Symposium. We are in New York City on the exposition floor. I'm Jeannie Petrucci, registered dietitian nutritionist and founder of Living Plate RX, and bringing you another expert and really innovative and interesting product. I know nothing about this, but I've spoken to you enough to be intrigued, and I really want you to introduce this product and really kind of clinical application. So I'm going to let you introduce yourself, and you can share with our audience.
Great. Hi, everyone. My name is Christina O'Connor. I'm a registered dietitian. I work for Pendulum Therapeutics here at the Integrative Healthcare Symposium. And I'll introduce you to the products that are great for the microbiome.
Right, this is so cool. So who do you serve primarily?
So I am the healthcare sales account manager. So I work directly with our providers are all over the country that are wanting to bring our products into their practice.
So you're a registered dietitian and salesperson.
Yes.
Yeah, that's pretty unique. So am I. That's great. So this is just so fascinating to me. So I'm looking at the words on Pendulum's banner here. I have no idea what it all means. So can you just kind of take us through it a little bit? So it is a supplement, yes?
Yes, that's correct.
And what is the clinical implication of the supplement? Let's just work backwards a little bit.
Sure, absolutely. So we'll start with Akkermansia. So Akkermansia muciniphila, it is a keystone strain. So if you think about an ecosystem, if you remove a vital part of that ecosystem, the whole thing collapses. So Akkermansia muciniphila, mucin-loving organism. So it's helping with gut barrier function. So it degrades existing mucin, stimulates your goblet cells to produce a fresh layer of mucus on top of your epithelial cells. So you're reducing gut permeability. You're not allowing those opportunistic and pathogenic bacteria to reach the circulatory system. So it has so many clinical applications. We're doing a bipolar disorder study with our strains, obesity, osteoporosis. I have practitioners that are using our products for inflammatory bowel type conditions, all kinds of stuff.
Anything related to compromised gut function?
Yes. So gut dysbiosis. So if you have, absolutely. So all of our strains are precision strains. They were chosen for targeted issues like metabolism and gut barrier function, IBS, IBD type symptoms. Really amazing strains.
So how long have you been with the company?
I started in July.
Oh, wow. Okay. So relatively. So what excites you the most about the impact that this product, and can we show it?
Yeah.
Okay. We have something here for you. So you have different types of probiotics. Where does a clinician start? So I'm just going to guess that you provide some education. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So tell us about that.
Yeah. So if you go to our website and you want to get Pendulum for your patients, you can go to our website and we have resources. You can sign up to be a Pendulum provider. We have our clinical studies. We actually have 2 clinical studies on our products. All of our resources, patient detail aids, it's all there on our website.
Okay. Amazing. Are you on FullScript?
We are. We just launched on FullScript and Emerson.
Okay. All right. So that is very exciting because, as you know, our community, we have a full integration with FullScript. So you can actually recommend the appropriate probiotic for your patients right inside your meal planner. So they can find this inside, but the education, they really would want to come to you, right? And to the Pendulum site. Okay. So tell us about the different probiotics. I'm looking at like Metabolic Daily and the Akkermansia. I've never heard of Akkermansia. I'm embarrassed to say, but that sounds like it's pretty like groundbreaking, right?
Yes, it is. Again,
how is it different from other probiotics?
Yeah, sure. So it's been 50 years since a new probiotic strain has come to market. So typically you have your bifidobacterium type strains. So Akkermansia is a strict anaerobe. And until now, no one has figured out how to manufacture a strict anaerobe and encapsulate it so that we can take it. So again, it's a keystone strain. We need this. You can do GI testing, stool testing to see if your patients or yourself, if you're low in Akkermansia, and if you are, you should supplement with it.
Okay, and tell us about the Metabolic Daily.
Sure. So this is our glucose control product. So this is the one. This is where it all started. This is our flagship. This is the one that we have our 2 clinical studies on, double-blinded, randomized, placebo-controlled trial on type 2 diabetics. So they were actually able to lower their A1C by 0.6% and their postprandial glucose spikes by almost 33%. Wow. So efficacy of a drug in the safety of a probiotic. So you can think of it in this way, you're sort of restoring the organisms that are meant to do the job of metabolism.
So cool.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm really excited about this line of products. So just let our viewers know, because we have a lot of people who are going to be watching this as a recording. So if you have questions, how can they reach out to you? How can they find you?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can go to pendulumlife.com. And again, you can go to Get This for My Patients, and that will take you to our healthcare portal where you can sign up and you'll be right in touch with me. Or again, you can go to FullScript and Emerson. Our products are there.
Would you come back and speak to our community, like do some education around this? Because I do want to take a deeper dive. I told you you're manning a booth by yourself, so I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I really would like you to come back and speak to our practitioners about the whole gut health, restorative process and how these play a role.
Absolutely.
Sounds good?
Thanks so much for having
Okay,
me.
thank you so much, guys. We'll be back. We're here until 4.